Hello and welcome to another masterclass. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button below. Since new videos are being added to the channel regularly, click on the notification bell and you will be informed immediately whenever a new video is published. Welcome to the sixth video on trigonometry. In this video, we'll learn how to build a table showing the trigonometric ratios of the standard angles. We'll quickly have a recap of the trigonometric ratios of the standard angles. We know that sine 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1 and tan 0 is equal to 0. We also know that sine 30 is half, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. We know that sine 45 and cos 45 are both equal to 1 upon root 2 and tan 45 is 1. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 and cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Tan 60 therefore works out to be root 3. Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0 and tan 90 is not defined. We will notice that for the sine ratio, as the angle increases from 0 to 90 degrees, the sine of that angle increases from 0 to 1. On the other hand, it will also be noticed that as the angle increases from 0 to 90 degrees, the cosine of that angle decreases from 1 to 0. That is, cos 0 is equal to 1 and cos 90 is equal to 0. On the other hand, as the angle increases from 0 to 90 degrees, tan of that angle increases from 0 to infinity. The tangent ratio of any angle can be obtained by dividing the sine ratio by the cosine ratio. Since sine, cosine and tangent are related to each other, if we know the sine ratios of any angle, we can also calculate the other trigonometric ratios. Let us see how the sine ratios of standard angles can be quickly determined. We will first learn how to build the sine table of the standard angles. First, write down a table as follows. Write down 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 in the first row. And in the row below that, write down sine followed by 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will now divide each of these numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 by 4. So we will write 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. We will now take square roots of each of these values. So we get square root of 0 upon 4 followed by square root of 1 upon 4 followed by square root of 2 upon 4. Then we get square root of 3 upon 4 and finally square root of 4 upon 4. On simplifying, we get 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1. These are the values of the sine ratios. We'll notice that the sine ratios are increasing from 0 to 1. We know that sine 0 is equal to 0 and sine 90 is equal to 1. On the other hand, cos 90 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So we will write the ratios of the first line in the reverse order to build the cosine table. So for cos, we will write cos 0 is 1 cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, and cos 90 is 0. To obtain the tan ratio, we simply divide the sine ratio by the cosine ratio. So tan of 0 is equal to sine of 0 divided by cos of 0, that is 0 upon 1, that is 0. Tan 30 on the other hand is 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2, so we get 1 upon root 3. Since sine 45 and cos 45 are both equal to 1 upon root 2, tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 60 is equal to sine 60 divided by cos 60, which is equal to root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2, which is equal to root 3. Tan 90 is not defined because we cannot divide any number by 0. This is our last video for grade 9 trigonometry. If you wish to learn more about trigonometry, please check out the videos for grade 10 trigonometry. Thank you for watching this video. To visit the masterclass channel, click on the round logo. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell to be notified immediately when a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching this video.